Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Fortnite black screen problem. Easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you have to do first, click here and then type here Windows Update Settings, and after that click check for updates, and now just wait and close it, and after that restart your PC, and after restarting your PC click here, right click on Fortnite and go to properties and then compatibility, and after that turn on those two options, check those two options here and first one and select Windows 8, then click apply and OK, and after that just turn off all applications that you don't need in the background and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.